VOOFA family.
VOOFA marketing.
At VOOFA.
VOOFA family. VOOFA marketing services.
Hey guys, Justin Colby here from the Science of Flipping and Phoenix Wealth Builders. My business partner Eddie Rosefield and I are real estate investors here in Phoenix, Arizona. And we want to just give a big shout out to Vivek and the VOOFA family for creating such incredible websites for us. The websites do everything we ever ask. It helps build a list of buyers or sellers. It's great with the videos. Vivek and his team are the best team for real estate websites. They build all of our websites. They have all of our login pages, capture pages, you name it. They provide exactly what you need for your website. So if you're thinking about building a real estate website, make sure to reach out to Vivek at VOOFA, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thank you, Vivek.
Hi there, I'm Caroline from Caroline Candace Wellness, and I just wanted to give a quick review for VOOFA. I've been with VOOFA for about 2 years now, and they've been nothing but amazing. Anytime I ever message them, within 5 minutes, they message me back. If there's a problem, it's fixed literally within 5 minutes, so that's pretty amazing. Definitely something you want from a web service. They've helped me design all my ebooks, put them all together. They've recently added a new auction to my website where I do shop my closet. So anything I've ever wanted, they've always been able to accommodate. So I definitely recommend VOOFA if you're looking for a great web service.
Hey guys, I've been using VOOFA marketing services. They have designed my website, my social media, and my video production. I've received so many compliments on my website and all that VOOFA has done for me. They're professional, they're affordable. If I were you, I would use VOOFA.
Hi, my name is Riley Allison, and I am the Executive Director of the Carly's Angels Foundation. And we have had the privilege of working with VOOFA since early 2016. When I first met with Vivek in a coffee shop in Mississauga, I wasn't exactly sure what to expect. But he quickly reassured me and then put all of our website dreams into action. He put all the colors we wanted, all the pictures, anything that we could have dreamed of, they put on our website. And then people started paying attention. So then, VOOFA and Vivek helped us put an e-commerce platform onto our website so that we could sell jewelry and clothing to fund our vision and our mission. And then Carly's Angels got a bit more sophisticated, and we decided to start hosting events. And to host events, you need a ticketing system. And VOOFA quickly put a ticketing system in place on our website so that we could scan tickets at the door, and that was pretty awesome for us. Made us look like a real company, which is huge. Then we talked strategy, and Vivek and VOOFA helped us put all of our strategy ideas into action, integrating our web mailing system and integrating SEO strategy so that we can reach more people and inspire more people with our message and our vision. The team at VOOFA helped us navigate the waters of a website and helped us put all of our ideas into action. I want to thank VOOFA and Vivek for helping us get to where we are today. You guys are the best.
We'd highly like to recommend to you VOOFA Marketing. They are responsible for the videos that we have put out on the Third Degree, and we have been extremely pleased. If you're interested in using anything to do with online electronic posters, social media, video production, video marketing, we would highly recommend VOOFA Marketing. You will not be disappointed. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Priska Benita. I just wanted to give a quick review regarding my wonderful and great experience with VOOFA.ca. I needed a work done as soon as possible. And after calling several companies here in Toronto, I was kind of discouraged. And when I finally found them on my Google search, I called. I did not leave a message. And at my surprise, someone called me back, and that was Vivek. He is great. And I gave my work, and the next day in the morning, my work was ready. This company is reliable. And that is why I have decided to really do this review as my own way of giving them my appreciation. So thank you again, VOOFA. You guys are a reliable company, professional company, and you do a great job. Thank you again. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Roger Spence from New Point Construction right here in the Toronto area. I've been working with VOOFA family for some time now. They build our websites, our business cards, our logo branding, our SEO, our social media, our flyers. They design everything, anything that I needed to start my business. Whatever your needs are for growing your business, for advertising your business, I recommend VOOFA, Vivek and the team.